energy transfer test. To do this test, first I will do a strength test on her without the pendant. Place your hand behind, lock it strong, and try to resist me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Try again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. She's weak. Now, we're going to take a pendant. We're going to give it to her. Okay? And then you're going to roll it up on your hand. And she's going to transfer her energy to her, which is not wearing any pendant. We're going to try this again. Keep it strong. Ready? 1, 2, 3. She is strong. Now, can you please move 2 steps to 3 steps back? Okay. Try again. Okay. Get it strong. Ready? 1, 2, 3. She has no energy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, now you have another SE pendant. Give it to you. Okay, so you will roll up on your hand and you will transfer your energy to her, and she will transfer her energy to her who is not having any pendant on. We're going to try this again. Get it strong. Ready? 1, 2, 3. She is very strong.